What's up, everybody? Tinker here, and today I'm going to be restoring an old Ford 200 inline 6 valve cover. In my meticulous planning, burps, of this episode, I forgot shop towels and the paint that I need. So I'm gonna be going to get those. I'm probably gonna also stop by a hobby store and get some paintbrushes. Reason being because this right here, as you can see, there's "Powered by Ford" kind of embossed up in here. And I want that to be a different color. I don't quite know what color yet. I'm thinking maybe white. Kind of like a GT350 back in the day. I know these engines would never be in a GT350, but you know, color schemes and keeping it classic. Yeah, I'm gonna stop by, probably get some paintbrushes and then some spray paints to figure this out. But for the paintbrush thing, I'm gonna try something I've never done before. I'm gonna spray a bunch of spray paint in a little container and then use a paintbrush to put it on, because it has to be ceramic high heat paint because it is on the engine as valve cover. So we're gonna figure that one out. I'm gonna head to AutoZone and pick up some supplies. Alright, got everything we came for. Time to head back and start the process of restoring that valve cover. Valve cover has been sprayed down with brake cleaner and wiped down. Got most of the gunk and nasty oil out of there, so it's looking a little bit better. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a wire wheel and go over it. As you can see, for the most part, it's cleaned out. I still need to do like that corner right there, and then some of the pillars that it's got going on in here. But it's looking a lot better now. So with the help of a sandblaster and another round of going over it with the wire wheel, paying extra special attention to Powered by Ford, I think it's ready to paint. As you can see, it's not perfect by any means, but it's smooth. And it doesn't feel like there's rust, it just feels like bare metal when you go over it. So that's good enough for me. That area came out really good. But the rest of it, I mean, you can tell it's kind of dented. It's an old valve cover, but we're gonna paint it up and
probably heard you.
Try to stick to the blue that came off the Ford here. So
Only way you're going.
And this is the finished and painted valve cover. I don't know if before I get rid of it, I'm gonna put like an oil cap and grommet and, you know, gasket on there. I'll think about it